So hey nerds, this is Suman and this is our today's integral, and this integral looks little bit unfamiliar to us, but once you know the step you automatically know what to substitute and how to get the better result. So I would like to take firstly dx, and this is square root of x squared and this is square root of x. So I get integral dx over square root of x, square root of x plus 1. Now I'm going to substitute is u squared is x and I get 2u du is my x. Sorry, this is dx, and right, this is this much, and okay, this is this much square root. Sorry, I would like to substitute square root of x plus 1 is u, and I got du is 1 over 2 square root of x, and this is dx, right? So our integral is going to be integral dx over, so in terms of dx we can write 2 square root of x du over, in terms of square root of x we don't have to substitute anything, but in terms of this much we have to substitute u. So we got u and this is cancel out, and we got 2 integral du over u, and this is going to be 2 ln u plus some constant c, and we got 2 ln, and our u is square root of x plus 1 with some constant c. So up to there, bye bye, and try to set your problems.